Tariffs 101, the basics. Let's start with the basics. In simple terms, a tariff is a tax imposed on imported goods. It's like a toll booth for products crossing a country's borders. When a foreign product enters a country with a tariff in place, the importer has to pay an extra fee to the government. This raises the price of the imported product, making it less competitive with domestically produced goods. Different flavors of tariffs. Tariffs come in different shapes and sizes. Two of the most common types are specific tariffs. These are fixed fees based on the quantity of a product. For example, a country might charge $10 for every imported ton of steel. Ad valorem tariffs. These are calculated as a percentage of the product's value. For instance, a 10% ad valorem tariff on a $100 imported phone means an extra $10 in taxes. There are also combination tariffs that mix both fixed fees and percentages, but let's not get too caught up in the details. The key is that the tariffs can be tailored to target specific products or industries. The ripple effects of tariffs. So, what happens when a government imposes a tariff on imported goods? It's not as simple as just protecting domestic industries. Tariffs create a ripple effect throughout the economy, impacting consumers, producers, customers, and even the government itself. Here's the breakdown. Higher prices for consumers. Tariffs make imported goods more expensive. This can translate to higher prices at the grocery store or even the gas station. Consumers end up paying more for the same products. Increased domestic production. Tariffs can give domestic producers a boost. With less competition from cheaper imports, local industries may expand production and hire more workers. However, this often comes at a cost as consumers have to pay higher prices. Government revenue. Tariffs bring in money for the government. This can be used to fund public services, reduce debt, create jobs, or support other policy initiatives. However, it's important to remember that consumers are ultimately footing the bill. Retaliation and trade wars. Tariffs rarely go unanswered. When one country imposes tariffs, its trading partners often retaliate with their own. This can escalate into a trade war where everyone ends up losing as trade flows shrink and economic growth slows down. The never-ending debate. Tariffs are a political hot potato. There are strong opinions on both sides of the fence. Protectionism versus free trade. Protectionists argue that tariffs are essential for shielding domestic industries from unfair competition and ensuring national security. Free traders, on the other hand, believe that open markets and competition lead to lower prices and overall economic prosperity. Winners and losers. Tariffs creates winners and losers. Domestic producers and protected industries may thrive, but consumers usually end up paying the price. Additionally, tariffs can harm exporters who rely on open markets to sell their goods. Unintended consequences. Tariffs often have unintended consequences. They can lead to higher costs for businesses that rely on imported inputs and create inefficiencies in the economy.